Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be detailing and ceramic coating the inside and outside of this
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
freaking monster of a car. This is a BMW X7. It's a fucking massive car, dude. Man, I don't even know how to unlock this thing. Oh, this? No, there we go. Dude, this thing is massive. Obviously it's daily driven, so we're gonna try to take care of everything as far as coating it, making sure baby poop doesn't stain the seats. Wait a minute. Man, these are power operated second row? Holy cannoli. Alright, let's get started. Alright, my brother's washing the wheels. He's the other part of Lumen Detailing. Also, you can see the swirl marks just from standing here that we're gonna have to take care of. It's a fairly new car, but you can tell the previous owner didn't really care, and this is like without even washing it. So this is with dirt and stuff covering it, but you can still see the swirl marks. So we got a day ahead of us, guys. This black plastic or black trim especially looks freaking nasty, dude. And usually gray cars hide it pretty well, but there's some crazy hologramming going on here, especially if you look at it from here, like all up on the top pillar. It's all right here. Luckily this is a pretty small spot. Probably use a 3-inch orbital cut across here. But yeah, we're gonna get this cleaned up, decontaminated, get it in the garage for a full inspection, and here we go. Alright, so here's the owner, Kevin.
Hey.
Tell us about the car, why you purchased it.
So this is a BMW X7. It's replacing the Audi SQ5 that I had previously. Needed something bigger. Got another child on the way, so needed something for road trips, comfortable, and decided on this.
So what were you telling me about this grill? It opens and closes?
Yep, so it's got the active shutter system. So for aerodynamics, it just automatically knows to open and close the grills depending on the speed you're going. When the car's on and off, it'll automatically open and close. It's a pretty interesting feature, I got.
That's pretty sweet. And what engine is in here again?
The famous B58. So super smooth, a lot of tunes, but the wife will kill me if I do anything.
So yeah, now we're doing a mechanical decontamination using the CarPro Claim It. This works pretty awesome. It's been holding up pretty strong. We've done maybe 10-15 cars, so this will probably be the last car we use it on, because I used it yesterday on a Q5 and it was not working as well as I remember. So this is probably the last car for this towel that I've grown fond of. RIP. Probably just buy another one. Alright, so the car is all decontaminated. As you can tell, there's no more protection on the car from the dealership. It's just gone. No more coating, no more waxes or sealants. Then we're gonna dry it up and then get it in the garage. Alright, so most of the car is not super terrible, just normal swirl marks from going to a car wash. Usually cars like this, that's what happens. Some rich lady buys it and just wants it to look nice. Yeah, overall it's not that bad actually. Probably do a quick one stage. We're going to do a test panel using Kamikaze Banzai with a yellow foam pad. And then, yeah, it's not that bad actually. I know for sure like these higher parts are a little bit worse. Obviously because the brushes and stuff. But it's really not that bad. I think this is going to be a one stage paint correction. And then, yeah, she'll be good to go for a coating. So Eric came by and pointed out something that now I can't unsee. So I have to point it out to you guys. This side is empty, so I was cleaning out the leaves and he was going to help me with the other side. But you can't. That's so crazy. Now I can't unsee it being asymmetrical. Alright, so the hood is halfway done. A little more than halfway. I just need to do this part. As you can see, there are some creases on the hood that make it a little bit difficult to contour the 6-inch polisher. So I'm having to contour it here and then go straight here and then here, kind of curves. So it's gonna take some finessing, a little bit more than what I expected. We're coming along nicely. If you use the right products, right tools, with the right technique, yeah, you're gonna get this thing done quick. Hey, where did my brother go? He was just working here and he disappeared. I think I know where he went. Let's see where he is. What the hell? Hey, get back to work! That thing is like ridiculously small looking on you. Color scheme, it matches my car perfectly.
Yeah, right? It's like it was made for your car.
Yep.
Very cool.
Alright, we're detailing this next. Ceramic coating. Talking about the guy on the bike, not the bike.
The head.
Alright guys, the car is now paint corrected. And then now we're using Invincible primer spritz by Polish Angel. What this does is it helps remove any residue from the polish, remove the dust. It's really just an IPA, but it also has some stuff inside it, some chemicals that help the coating bond better to the paint. So we're gonna use that, spray it around the car, and then ceramic coat it. We're gonna be using DQuartz by CarPro, and then good to go. One coat is all it takes, and it should last 3 to 5 years depending on how you take care of it. Again, it really just depends on the maintenance. You can have like a 20-year coating, and if you don't wash it, it's not gonna last 20 years. But there's no such thing as a 20-year coating. Just FYI. Alright, here it is. The finished product came out really good. It's been a couple days. I couldn't do the video like directly after because of time constraints. But yeah, this thing's looking pretty good. Exhaust tips are polished. Oh yeah. Car's looking pretty sexy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, I guess, if that's something you're into. And also, check this out. Nice.